Hola, estudiantes. I'm going to explain el patrón, the pattern, or la ficha de repaso slash sheet of review for the quiz we're going to be having. So that's what this is. El patrón, it's the pattern, looks just like the quiz, similar. Okay. Okay, tipos de palabras, types of words. So what you'll do is, okay, you'll look at these words here and then decide what it is. Sustantivo, noun, adjetivo, be, C, pronombre, or D, verbo. So just right next to it is fine. I'll just go like this, like that. See, I didn't put any lines here, so you don't have to like erase the line or anything. I know it gets, the document gets messed up when you got lines here. I'm not saying that that's a verb. Dog is not a verb. But that's what you're going to put here. A for a noun, B for adjective, C for pronoun, D for verb. And you may have to look this stuff up, you have to look it up, do some research if you can't figure it out. All right, sujetos y pronombres de sujeto. Subjects and subject pronouns. Now, just like you did when you did that one assignment, you're gonna have to stretch this. This is a chart I already made here, so you're gonna have to stretch it out, okay? And try not to let it go on the next page, but you will have to stretch that out to be able to type in some of these boxes. You don't have to write what it means in English. You can just put these, and it's these words right here. It's these words. Where do you put those in the grid? You might be able to fit it without stretching it out. I don't know, but you might have to stretch it out. So this is that whole subject grid. Where do these subjects go in the grid? So you just type these 9 subjects in their correct category in the subject grid. Okay. Artículos y sustantivos, articles and nouns. Okay, it says you always read the directions first. That's not right. That's traduce. Traduce. Traduce las expresiones. Usa el banco. Translate these expressions. Use the bank. Okay, this is the word bank here. You might not use all of those though. It says pluraliza las palabras cuando necesario. Okay, pluralize the words when necessary. Okay, so this says the patios, but this only says patio, so you have to make that plural. So it's important to recognize when it says the or when it says or when it says some. You do have some reference sheets to help you with that. So then you'll write out this whole thing using these words. Okay? Now you're going to use the same bank for this section too. Okay? My students. You scroll up here. What students? Okay, you're going to make that one plural, etc. Okay, this is all, review stuff here. Okay, now instrucciones. Instructions for the answers, questions and answers. Any one of these questions could be on the quiz or something similar. Any question that we've had in class so far could be on the quiz. Okay, so hopefully you're taking good notes, you're staying organized, and following along with what we're doing here. Contesta las preguntas en frases completas. Answer the questions in complete sentences. But do you have to take notes? Okay, so if you have to take notes, remember you have to put it after there, right? I don't care if it's even underneath it. Like, what does antiguas mean? How can you answer this question if you don't even know what that word means? And then you answer it in Spanish in a complete sentence underneath it. Okay? So these are things that we've studied before, okay? This is not like just random questions, okay? Here's the form of a star, here's a stan. We studied that recently. We did se llama. We've done the word vas. Here's vas again. So like I said, these are not just random questions. This is stuff that we've been studying, okay? All right. Let me know if you have any questions.